Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are reviewing the Vivaia shoes. I can't wait to show you guys what I got. So let's go ahead and get started. So in case you haven't heard of this brand, Vivaia is a brand focused on creating shoes that are comfortable to wear and incredibly stylish. They are a brand that uses sustainable practices and create eco-friendly footwear and apparel. I feel like Vivaia has grown so much over the years and they're loved by tens and thousands of customers. They've actually been featured in Vogue and InStyle magazines. So how cool is that? The first shoe that Vivaia sent me is in the style Margot 2.0 and they are the square-toed flats. I chose the color forest green and they are $97 on their website. This is made from sustainable yarn, natural rubber sole, and get this guys, it's machine washable. Next item they sent me is the round toe embroidered loafer, and guys, this is probably the most comfortable flats I've ever worn. Just like the Margot flats, these shoes are also machine washable, and fun fact, they are made from recycled plastic. The shoes are also $97, and guys, they have so many different embroidered designs from butterflies, bumblebees to giraffes. Super cute. Alright guys, let's go ahead and do the try-ons. So I would pair up the Margot flats with like relaxed jeans, capris, boyfriend jeans, just casual jeans with some distressing at the bottom, and a baby doll top, like a white top. Add a bucket messenger bag and you are good to go. I love the pop of green with this dress. Definitely screams fall. From the side, this looks like I'm wearing long rompers, but this is actually a dress with a slit on one side. Come to think of it, that would be another outfit inspiration to wear these flats with rompers, short or long. With the dress on, this is kind of giving me a boho vibe kind of style. Next up, the loafers. So these shoes actually work well with the original outfit, so I would pair these together as well. Now let's change it up a bit, and for the sake of the fall cool weather, let's change my top to black and add a long cardigan over it. I think the brownie nude color of the cardigan pairs really well with the cheetah print on the shoe. And finally, adding the Zara Juan camera bag adds a modern twist to the entire look. For the final look, I have a white button-down top and black jeans to go with the Vivaia loafers. Tuck one side of the shirt in and you can easily go from work to happy hour in no time. So that is everything guys. I want to thank Vivaia for sending me these shoes. Super grateful that I got to try them. If you'd like to try the Vivaia shoes, I have a 10% off discount in the description box below. So make sure you check the description box. Also, comment down below. Let us know which one's your favorite, the loafers or the square toe flats. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye!